Hello everybody, it is JustBoz here and welcome back to yet another Minecraft video here in the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how you can play new Minecraft updates early, aka the new Minecraft snapshots. This is actually fairly simple, so we're going to dive straight into this. But before we do, make sure to leave a like on this video, share with some friends, and of course subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel, and we upload a ton of Minecraft videos here, so you can keep up to date with all the latest and greatest Minecraft content. That being said, this is going to work on both Java Edition and Bedrock Edition. We are going to start with Bedrock Edition, and if you're watching this at the time that I'm uploading it, you're probably wanting to do this so that you can play with the new Minecraft Copper update and get stuff like the Copper Golems to either make content off of or just like mess around with. But yeah, we're going to start with Bedrock. What you need to do is actually launch Bedrock through the Minecraft launcher right here. So open up the Minecraft launcher on your computer, go ahead and navigate to the Bedrock Edition section. And on this section, you're going to see an option for latest release. Go ahead and click on this and then find latest preview just like so. And then it should have an install button here if you've never launched this before. Go ahead and click install. It's usually around like 5 gigabytes at most. So go ahead and install that and then hit play and get loaded into the game. It may take a second the first time that you do get loaded in, but you should see something like this up at the top if you're loaded into this right update. Now, if it is your first time loading into this, you may need to log into your Microsoft account, so go ahead and sign in with that. And from here, you just have to go ahead and hit play preview like normal, create a new world. You can make this in creative, survival, it doesn't really matter. And then just simply hit create and you're good to go. It'll also say Minecraft preview right here if you're doing this correctly. So that's a telltale sign that you're chilling. This is a cool biome, what the heck? Yeah, just to show you that this does work, on this latest Snapchat, it did introduce the copper golem. So I'm just going to go ahead and just get a copper block real quick. We'll do this one. And then all we need is a pumpkin as well to make this new golem, which we'll go ahead and place. Boom. Bam. But yeah, that is how you get that on Bedrock Edition. Let's launch Java Edition real quick and we'll dive into that next. Java Edition is fairly similar. Just go ahead and open up that Minecraft launcher again, wait for it to load, and then navigate to the Java Edition section. And once again, open up the latest release section and find the latest snapshot option right here. From here, you just have to once again go ahead and hit play and you'll get loaded into it. It may once again need to install if you've never launched it before, but once it does launch, it should look something like this. And this one doesn't really give you like a telltale sign right up at the very top, so it's less obvious, but trust me, you're in it. Don't worry about that. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, make sure to leave a like on this video, share with some friends, of course, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and I hope to see each and every one of you guys in the next video. Peace.